it! Kill it, Boost! You're gonna maul it! Maul it! Yeah! Kill it! Alright! Scrappy, you're in the way, you jerk. Kill it, Boost! Get that hole! Jeez! You little psycho! Get it, Boost! Get it! Good boy, Scrappy! Get the squirrel! Get the squirrel! Get the hole! Get the hole, Ace! That hole's as deep as he is! Back up. Good boy, Scrappy. Get it, Ace! Keep going, keep going, keep going for it. Get that mole! It's you, you little muddy face. You little muddy face. Get it. Get it. Are you all done? Nope, nope. Come back for seconds.
I know, Jenny.
Huh?
I don't want you getting onto his pace now when you go and dig something else up.
I have no problem for him digging. You're the one who was freaking.
Well, I don't want him digging in the flower bed.
Okay, I won't let him dig in the flower bed. You dig into China.
Yeah. Because that's where the mole is, isn't it?
Get the mole. Ace is a molding the mole. Marry the mole. Now, Boost, 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 Boost. You exhausted now, Boost? Get up, Boost!